Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good
everyone.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you. Okay, so, which exam you had today? Which test?
GK.
Sir, GK.
You had
Sir,
GK.
GK.
Very good. And tomorrow you have which test?
Sir, computer.
Computer.
Okay. Day after tomorrow?
Sir, UT3 is also done and we don't know our marks of UT2 of maths and
Sir,
reasoning.
reasoning.
But I can't tell
After
you
computer reasoning.
till I am allowed to show you the marks from the management's side. Whenever they tell me, sir, you can disclose the marks, I will disclose them. Okay.
Sir, when you will show us the marks?
That is what I am saying, बेटा. जब तक मुझे स्कूल मैनेजमेंट नहीं बोलेगा, how can I show? Okay.
Okay.
So, day after tomorrow you have which test?
I have done till the area of rectangle and square. I was not able to do of triangle.
Okay.
Sir, today what we do?
Okay, so we have completed exercise 20.1, all of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Do 20.2. Yes, sir.
Have we all done question C of 20.1? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let us start with if suppose anyone is left, you can complete it quickly. Let us start with the exercise 20.2. Start करेंगे आज. Let me tell you how to do this.
Sir, please tell how to find the area of triangle.
Beta, you see the recording, that day's recording, day before yesterday's recording.
Sir, I saw, but I was not able to understand.
Listen. I'm telling you one example very quickly. Suppose I'm telling you the fifth part of this question. Okay, Rishika.
Okay.
Question C, fifth part में आपको बता रहा हूँ. 20.1. Because you're saying that you have not understood. Question C, fifth part. Area of a triangle. Before writing the area, let me write the sides which are given in the question. The height is given 25 meters and the base of the triangle is given 11 meters. You have to find the area of the triangle, half into base into height. This is the formula. In every question you will write the formula first. Half into base. Now put the values. What is the base? 11. What is the height? 25. Okay. So now 1 into 11 into 25. None of these numbers are divisible by 2. कोई भी number 2 से divide नहीं होगा. Okay. So you have to multiply 1 into 11 into 25 is equal to.
Sir, your screen is not coming.
275. Beta, there is some network problem at your end. Okay. So 275.
Sir, means you had multiplied 11 multiplied by 25, then you have multiplied 1 and then you had divided it by 2.
Yes. So 275 divided by 2. Now you find your answer in decimal. Okay. Decimal में निकाल लेंगे answer. You will get 137.5 meter square. After dividing, you will get this. Divide करना आता है, Rishika?
Yes, sir.
So divide कर दिया मैंने. After dividing, you will get this 137.5 meter square. I did it orally. You will have to show it. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, now let us start
Sir,
with
so
yes. Yes, bata beta.
sir, the answer is 137.5.
Yes. 137.5 meter square.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you explain it after the answer 275 by 2?
Divided by 2, just division करना है. Divide करना आता है बेटा.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Divide करो इसको. 1 2 minus 0 7 3 6 minus 1 5 15 7 14 minus 1 point 0 5 10 0 remainder. Answer 137.5. Clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Clear.
Okay. Got it? Okay, now let us start with question number A of exercise 20.2. Same formula will be used. जो formula अभी हमने पढ़े हैं वही formula use करने हैं to find the answers of all the questions in exercise 20.2.
I can start from that page only.
Yes, you can start from the same page. No problem.
There is too much space.
Yes, yes, yes. You can start.
Okay, sir.
Exercise 20.2. G. In this question, A is saying that one side is given of the rectangle, area is given, and the other side. Okay, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं यहाँ. Area is 15 centimeter square. Area is already given. Sorry, marker has fallen down. So area is 15 centimeter square, already given in the question. Length is also given 5 centimeters. Breadth not given. What to do if breadth is not given? Write the same formula of area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Can we use the same formula to find breadth? The answer is yes. We can use the same formula to find breadth or to find length or to find area. मैं इसी same formula से area, length या breadth कुछ भी find कर सकता हूँ. Look at this, how to do it. Area is 15, putting the values. Length is कितना? Sorry, length मैंने नहीं लिखा है. कितना? 5 centimeters is the length. Breadth not given. You have to find breadth. So now you look at this. मैंने आपको बताया था. When you take a number from RHS to LHS या LHS से RHS में जब हम कोई नंबर को लेके जाते हैं तो whatever the number is doing with the other number उसका opposite होता है. तो यहाँ 5 और B के बीच में क्या लगा है? What is the symbol between 5 and B? Multiply.
Multiplication.
So when you take 5 to LHS, इसको LHS मतलब left hand side of equal to, right hand side left hand side. याद है या नहीं याद है? LHS RHS याद है आपको? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Left hand side and right hand side.
मैंने आपको बोला था that the method that I am telling you will be very very useful for your higher classes also.
Yes, sir.
That is why.
Yes, sir.
So if I take 5 from RHS to LHS में shift कर रहे हैं इसको, so it will go in divide. यहाँ पर multiply, यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? Divide. Okay. Now what is 15 divided by 5?
3.
It is 3. Correct.
3.
So 3 centimeters is equal to breadth. Answer. Any doubt?
Okay. No doubt, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Can you do all the
No,
remaining
sir, no
part?
doubt.
Can you do all the remaining
Yes, sir,
part?
yes, sir.
Do them. Yes, done all the question, all of you?
Sir, please wait for 2 minutes. I am on last.
Sir,
Others?
I was
Sir, done.
that in the fourth in if it is means if the
Sir, I
breath
have
is given to
done.
us and we have to find the length, so then also we have to follow the same formula.
Yes, yes, same formula, same method.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, I have done.
Very good.
Sir, about
Okay, now I think all of you must have done this.
Yes,
Let us
sir.
discuss the answers.
You, sir.
Yes, do you have doubt in any of the parts? Anyone?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No doubt.
yes, sir. Sir, can you explain the that fourth one?
Fourth one. Okay. I'm doing the fourth one here.
Sir, now can you please tell all the answers? Okay.
I will tell
can
you
check.
all the answers. I will tell you all the answers. Don't worry. Okay. So fourth part, area is 72 centimeters square. Okay. Breadth is given 8 centimeters.
8.
8. Now the same formula you will be using. Area equals to length into breadth. Same formula we will use to find the length. Okay. So put the value of area. This is 72. What is area? 72. Length not given. Breadth 8. Okay. Breadth is 8. So put the value of breadth 8 centimeters. Now length into 8. L into 8 multiply. Okay. So we are taking 8 to LHS. 8 को LHS में shift करेंगे. Okay. So this will go in divide. This is in the numerator. If it is in the numerator, it will go in the denominator. Numerator में है ना? It will go in the denominator. Okay. 72 upon 8 equals to L. Clear? Any doubt? So 8 has gone to the denominator. Okay. So 72 divided by 8. This is equal to 9 centimeters. So length is 9 centimeters. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. क्या हो गया? करमजीत
Yes, sir, understood.
गाना गा के कौन बोलता है ये? करमजीत बोलता है, कौन बोलता है?
Yes, sir, Karamjit only said.
करमजीत कहाँ रहता है? Where do you live? करमजीत बेटा कहाँ रहते हो? मॉडल टाउन करमजीत घर कितने है ਤੁਹਾਡਾ?
Sir, mine all are correct.
चला गया क्या लिखा? करमजीत लो
Sir,
ऑडियो.
he is connecting to the audio.
ओके. अरे करमजीत बेटा डांट नहीं रहा हूँ मैं, बस ऐसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ कहाँ रहते हो. मैंने शायद तुम्हें देखा था एक दिन मॉडल टाउन में. मॉडल टाउन रहते क्या करमजीत?
Sir, he is still not connected to audio.
अभी तो कनेक्ट हो गया था.
Yes, sir, I think he would be having a network error.
सर लगता है डर गया.
डर तो नहीं है बेचारा? क्या लगता है? What do you think? डर गया क्या?
सर आई थिंक डर गया.
तुम बेचारे से बात करो, डर गया वो.
सर लगता है कुछ ज्यादा ही डर गया. अब तक कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ है ऑडियो से.
चलिए कोई नहीं. Let's discuss all the answer. Second part, the answer is breadth is equal to 4 centimeters. Right or wrong? All of you. Second part, 4
Yes,
centimeters.
sir.
Breadth equal to 4 centimeters. Correct? बस एक ही बच्चे का सही है, बाकी सबका गलत है. हाँ जी.
Sir, correct.
सर मेरा भी सही है.
Okay.
Mine is correct.
Okay, very good. Breadth equals to 4 centimeters. Second part. Third part, length equals
14
to
centimeters.
14
सर
centimeters.
14 centimeter. So
Yes.
14 centimeter.
Yes. Third part, length equal to 14 centimeters. Fourth part I have done on the board. 9
9
centimeters.
centimeters.
Length equal to 9 centimeters. Fourth part. Then fifth part.
Sir,
Breadth.
5 and 6 both are 5 centimeter.
No, fifth
Yes,
part
sir,
will
both
answer
5
breadth.
centimeters.
Fifth part breadth equals to 5 centimeters, and sixth part also breadth equal to 5 centimeters.
Breadth is equals to 5 centimeters.
Same answer. 5, 5. Both the parts. Okay. Any doubt in
Sir,
this?
mine all.
How many of you have scored, got all the answers correct? How many of you have got all the answers correct?
My
Sir, me, Rishika Agarwal. Sir, I
Sir,
got
I
all the
also
answers
are
correct because I had already done this one.
Very good, very good, very good. So, do you all have noted down the new timings of the classes? Are you all aware of the new timings?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do you like?
sir. This class is going to over in 2 minutes.
Okay. Do you like the schedule, new time schedule of your classes? You like it?
yes, sir, for
There is
me
only
it's
one
normal.
number.
Huh?
Sir, for me it's not good, not bad, normal.
It's neither good nor bad. अच्छा बच्चे चुपचाप चैट बॉक्स में आंसर लिख रहे हैं अपना कुछ बच्चे नो सर हैं कोई बात नहीं आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिवील योर नेम्स दोज हु आर गिविंग योर आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स नो सर अच्छा you can give your answers in the chat box. You like the class, the new timetable, the new time schedule of your classes? Okay, chalo, let's end the class. Yeah, the time is over. We will be meeting tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Okay, thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
करमजीत ऐसे बाय कर रहा है मेरी तरह शकल छुपा के केवल हाथ हिला के करमजीत कहाँ रहता है बता दो मॉडल टाउन रहता है कहाँ रहता है
सर कीर्ति नगर
कीर्ति नगर कहाँ पर है ये कहाँ पर है कीर्ति नगर अच्छा अच्छा उन्नति इज आल्सो डूइंग बाय इन द सेम वे हाँ जी करमजीत जल्दी बताओ क्लास ओवर होने वाली है जल्दी बताओ